Hey friends, ever wonder all the struggles we have to carry in this generation? Maybe some of them we inherited from our parents or grandparents that have been passed on to us. We still haven't gotten a break. We haven't gotten out of the water. We're still trying to learn how to swim in what we had to take on that's not our own. And I mean like mentally, spiritually, some of it's even financially that we have to carry. And what's so interesting in this lifetime, say 100 years, we still gotta maintain our life, and we're carrying other people's problems, our generation problem. And this is why I wrote this quote: today we bear our burdens, cry in pain, and watch our generation continue to carry the load. And in Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5, it says, trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. So in this lifetime, my friend, we got to continue on. We got to never give up. We got to persevere in this race. And the scary part is, are we going to leave the load for our next generation to carry? Will theirs be heavier? What do you think? Comment for more if you like this inspirational quote. God loves you, and so do I. Peace.